Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're not just looking at a profile, we're deconstructing a real-deal blueprint for success in the age of AI. We are going to break down the exact plays you can use to build a career that's not just relevant, but absolutely essential for the future.
So, let's kick things off with the big question that's probably on your mind. In a world being completely reshaped by artificial intelligence, what does a next-generation professional profile actually look like? What are the skills, the projects, the mindsets you need to have to really stand out?
To figure that out, we're going to analyze a fantastic real-world example. You should think of this as a case study in career architecture. It's designed to give you a set of actionable strategies you can literally start applying to your own professional journey, like tomorrow.
Okay, let's dive right into our first play. This one is all about learning to think like a founder. And no, you don't have to go start a company. It's a mindset. It's about seeing problems not as annoying obstacles, but as amazing opportunities to create something with real impact.
So check this out. This strategy, it breaks a really complex idea down into a simple, powerful story. It starts with a super clear market pain point. Restaurants are struggling to get customers to spend more. The solution? A cool, tech-forward AR menu. But here's the kicker. The solution is tied directly to a projected business impact.
And this number highlights an absolutely crucial point. Quantifying your potential impact is what makes an idea so compelling. A vague promise is easy to forget, but a projected 15 to 20% increase in average order value, that's a number that gets people's attention because it speaks the language of business results.
And look, this wasn't just some fleeting thought or a cool idea. The work went way deeper. We're talking a full investor pitch deck, AI-powered market research, and a detailed customer journey map. This is how you prove you can not only come up with ideas, but you can actually execute them.
All right, let's move on to our second play. This is where we see how to translate AI skills into something tangible, something real. This is about moving past just talking about AI and actually using it to create products and streamline processes with just incredible efficiency.
Just take a look at a mock ad campaign for a huge brand like Taco Bell. You can see right here the game-changing efficiency AI brings to the table. Instead of all these slow, manual processes, you have AI-assisted scripting and visual prompting. The result? A 40% faster production time. In business, that is a massive, massive competitive advantage. So, what's the core skill here? What's the secret sauce? It's not just about using AI tools. It's about mastering the art of prompt engineering. And all that means is knowing how to ask the right questions and give the right instructions to get exactly the script or the image or the data you need from tools like Gemini or Midjourney. This timeline shows a powerful commitment to continuous, self-directed learning. And notice, these aren't homework assignments from a class. Each project was self-initiated for a specific reason. A movie picker to master logic flows, a virtual tailor's try-on to solve a real-world business problem. This shows more than just skill. It shows proactive problem-solving and a genuine passion for building things.
Okay, now for a really critical play. Linking your formal education directly to your practical business skills. This is all about showing that your degree isn't just a piece of paper on the wall, it's the actual foundation you're building real-world value on top of.
I absolutely love this quote because it just gets right to the heart of it, doesn't it? This is where we see how academic knowledge, in this case, a Bachelor of Commerce, becomes an incredibly powerful tool out in the professional world, specifically when it comes to closing those big B2B deals.
In a corporate gifting internship, for example, you can see the direct application of that commerce degree. All those academic concepts, like marketing strategy and consumer behavior, they become real-world tools for managing client relationships. Financial accounting isn't theoretical anymore. It's what you use to negotiate with vendors and run a supply chain. This is that bridge in action.
Okay, let's put it all together in our final play, structuring your diverse skills into a powerful, modern professional stack. This is about moving from just having a list of skills on a resume to building a cohesive, compelling professional identity that tells a story.
This matrix here, it shows the ideal structure for a modern professional. It's what people often call a T-shaped skill set. So the vertical bar of the T is that deep expertise in one core area, like technical and AI. But, and this is key, it's supported by the horizontal bar, a broad, strong base of skills in things like content, marketing, and business operations. That combination is what makes you so incredibly versatile and valuable.
And the balance here is just crystal clear. It's not about being just a tech person or just a business person. It's about a synthesis. It's about creating a professional who can think strategically, create compelling content, understand the technology, and execute on the business side. I mean, that's the whole package right there.
So the final takeaway is this. This isn't just one person's profile. It's a blueprint that you can adapt. Look at your own skills, identify where the gaps are, and start thinking about the projects you can initiate to build your own future-proof career. The only real question left is, what's the first piece of your stack that you're going to build next?